The front bumper shatters on contact, the grille frame folds inward, and the LED matrix headlights on the right side crack instantly. The hood bends in a V-shape as the collision force pushes the front structure toward the engine bay. The reinforced fenders on both sides show deep wrinkles, while the front sensors, radar module, and right fog light break loose. The shock sends the Leopard 8 sideways. Its AWD system tries to stabilize, but the weight shift throws the SUV toward the left guardrail. The left side scrapes the barrier for several meters. The doors drag across metal, leaving long gouges, torn paint, and dents across both the front and rear doors. The side mirror snaps clean off, and the A-pillar shows a slight deformation from the secondary hit. As the SUV spins, the rear corner bumps the divider. The back bumper cracks along its lower edge, the taillight on the left fractures, and the trunk panel gets a deep crease. The exhaust outlet on the left gets bent downward from the impact. Inside the cabin, the airbags deploy instantly, front, side, and curtain, cushioning the occupants. The 15-inch infotainment screen disconnects from its mount, hanging slightly forward but still powered. The dashboard trim shifts on the right side, and the center console shakes loose at the edges. The panoramic roof remains intact, but the frame shows tension marks near the rear. The vehicle finally comes to a stop, hybrid system automatically shutting down. Smoke rises from the front where coolant and dust mix. The Leopard 8 stands damaged from all sides. Heavy front impact, deep left side scraping, and a bent rear corner, but the structure absorbs the majority of the crash, keeping the cabin survivable. The SUV swings sideways from the shock. AWD stability control fights to correct it, but the momentum carries the Leopard 8 into the left guardrail. Metal grinds against metal, carving deep scratches and dents across both left side doors. The left mirror shatters off, leaving only wiring exposed. The A-pillar on the left shows a stressed bend, but the cabin remains structurally stable. As the vehicle spins again, the rear left corner strikes the divider. The taillight fractures, the lower bumper cracks, and the trunk door receives a wide dent. The rear diffuser bends downward, leaving the exhaust tip misaligned. The suspension absorbs the hit, but the left rear control arm shows deformation. Inside the cabin, airbags explode outward, front, side, and curtain, filling the interior in milliseconds. The steering wheel airbag cushions the driver, while the passenger airbag presses against the cracked dashboard trim. The large 15-inch screen shakes loose from its magnetic dock, but remains powered. The center console shifts slightly, and the right side dash panel pops out of alignment. The panoramic roof stays intact, though stress marks appear faintly along the frame. The SUV rolls to a final stop, systems shutting down automatically. Steam and dust drift from the crushed front end, with heavy damage on the front, ripped metal on the left side, and a bent rear corner. The LEB 8 sits wounded, but with its protective structure holding the cabin safe. Parts prices for a crash this size are severe. Below are full estimated repair costs in USD. Front bumper assembly, $790. Front grille frame, $360. Right LED matrix headlight, $980. Left LED matrix headlight, minor damage, $450. Front hood panel, $720. Front right fender, $380. Front left fender, scraped, $240. Front radar sensor, $310. Front camera module, $260. Fog lights pair, $190. Hybrid cooling module or radiator pack, $1,150. Coolant reservoir plus piping, $120. Front airbags, driver and passenger, $1,300. Side airbags, pair, $900. Curtain airbags, set, $850. Dashboard right side trim, $180. Center console mounts, $140. Infotainment 15-inch display mount replacement, $210, left side mirror, $180, left front door shell, $780, left rear door shell, $720, left A-pillar reinforcement, light repair, $350, rear bumper lower section, $420, left tail light, $360, trunk door panel, $620, rear diffuser section, $260, rear left control arm, $290, rear alignment and suspension diagnostic, $140. Labor cost full body repair, $1,600 to $2,200.